Service.
Hello, my name's David Baxter. I'm a trained weather spotter. We got a large tornado on the ground right now on this tornado warning storm. Large tornado on the ground right now.
2 miles north of Hobart?
Yes.
Okay.
A large tornado. It's on the ground doing stuff right now.
Yep, let us know if anything changes.
All right, got you. Thank you.
Stay safe.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Still doing power flashes. Power flash again. Power flash. We got big tornado on the ground, guys. Power flashes. Look at that. Big power flashes. Power arcs. Power arcs.
National Weather Service.
Hello, my name's David Baxter, trained weather spotter, storm chaser. We got structural damage in Rocky. Structural damage in Rocky from a tornado hit.
Structural damage in Rocky.
Yes.
Okay.
The tornado is still on the ground moving to the northeast. I can still visually see it. It's about 3 miles northeast of Rocky right now, still on the ground. Large cone tornado.
Okay. All right. Appreciate the report.
All right, no problem. Thank you. Tornado on the live stream right now, guys.